Hey guys, I hope you liked the video. In this video I use a technique called forced harmonics. There are no artificial harmonics. It's basically just pressing gently with your left hand on the string, and then you generate a tone that's 1 octave higher than the initial note. It's easier to play in fourth position, because if you put your first finger in fourth position on the string, it's already a natural harmonic, as you can see. But if you want to play other notes, you just keep the finger on the string. Like this. So this is a casual D major scale. And this is a D major scale in harmonics. It's hard to get a clean sound out of it, but it's possible. It took me lots of practice. It's quite simple, like the system, but it's not easy at all. There's one violinist that used this technique once, and that absolutely blew my mind, so I had to figure it out. His name is Roman Kim. I'll put a link in the description to his channel. If you think this video was interesting, make sure to subscribe. See you next time.